Hi guys, today we're going to tackle resetting my nightstand and how I have it organized so that I can do all the things that I want to do or need to do either in the morning or before bed. And so let's go see. You're going to first see the before of my nightstand. It is organized, but it needs a reset, which means it just needs to be retidied. So, and maybe tweaked with some new organization. So I'm going to show you how I've done that right after the before. All right, this is how my nightstand is organized, but as you can see, it needs a reset. It is a mess right now. I need to clean out this drawer, but as you can see, it's out of sight. This has even more junk that needs to be organized, but this is where I keep my books. This is where I keep my pain reliever, my headphones, you know, stuff that I use pretty regularly. And then at the bottom is where I have my socks and pantyhose. I keep those there nice and handy. As you can see, my floor is kind of a mess. I've got socks on the floor. This is where I keep my shoes, which I have to admit I just put in here because they were on the floor, and I did that before I started the video, but I will show you how this is supposed to look once I get everything reset and reorganized. All right, here I have a back scratcher and a little ponytail holder in case I get hot and need to put my hair in a ponytail. And I just have a few office supplies that I use regularly or just use when I'm sitting in bed watching TV. This is just from the dollar store. It's a hole punch, my scissors, some highlighters for my Bible study, and another hole punch in case I need it, and a marker. This is just where I keep my pens. Now this little container right here, my husband snores, so I keep my chapstick and my ear plugs there, my earbuds here so I can have it charged. I do have allergies, so I have nose spray. This is my no fog eyeglass cleaner, and here I grind my teeth, so I have to keep some guard for my teeth, and then just some reading glasses here and some pens my kids made me when they were little that I just sit there for decoration. This is where I keep my Bible study stuff, and I take my Bible study, if I haven't read my chapter, I will take that out in the morning. This is the one I'm reading now, and I will put it on my pillow so that I'll remember to read it. Okay, obviously you see I keep my coffee there. This is new, so it has been really helpful. I put it in this basket, and then this is where my eyeglass case is and my cloth to clean my glasses every morning so that it doesn't fog up when I put my mask on. And then this is just some vitamins, neurotransmitter support vitamins. All right, and because I am at a habit of taking my jewelry off here, I just decided to make it nice and pretty and decorative, and you saw that in the before. And then what makes me happy is seeing this picture of my husband and I. That picture makes me happy, so it stays on my nightstand. Some people put a plant or a candle, whatever makes you happy, put it on your nightstand. And then of course I have my lamp. All right, and you saw how dirty this was in here. It's now cleaned up. This is felt. It's probably made to put jewelry, but I put my jewelry over there, and I think this is a good place to hide stuff that needs to be hidden. But I took a brush, a cleaning brush, and brushed all the dust and dirt out, and then repositioned the stuff that I want to stay there. My charger, toothpicks, some change, just my checkbook, some necessary items that I need to keep handy, my file, which I also could put back in my pen holder. And then this is now nice and neat. These are my notebooks. I am reading a new organizing book by Nikki Boyd. I think it's, yes, Nikki Boyd. Sorry, I don't have, and then these are just when I listen to podcasts on organizing or read anything, this is where I take notes. Back to school organization, craft organization, and other Bible study books that I have started, and am working on several of those. I have headphones back there when I need to put on headphones. Now, these are really awesome because every once in a while I need to, when I am praying and really have something that's bothering me that I really need to pray for, I listen to Christian music. This is a headband that goes over my ears, and I can Bluetooth some inspirational music and still be able to lay down. So I've got my heavy duty headphones, and then the headset that I can sleep with and meditate at the same time. A little journal, some allergy meds, fingernail clippers, eye drops, cough drops, okay? And then when I can't sleep for several nights, I will take some melatonin, and then I've just got an eye mask for when I'm really needing it to be dark, some tissue, and that's what I have in there. And then I tidied up my socks, my hose, and if I have some socks that are missing their other partner, I stick those over here until I know for sure that I'm not going to find them. And this is how I have it organized. I've cleaned up the floor, and then I still have my files here and more notes and organizing stuff. I have my trash can there. I have it blocked over here because I don't put any food items in it, but my dog seems to think I put stuff in there that she wants to get in. And then this is in case I bring my laptop to my room and it goes on my lap. It's just a lap board for my laptop if I need it. But this is all my reading and note-taking material right here in my side table, so it stays nice and handy, but nice and neat and out of sight. All right, guys, I hope you liked how I organize my stuff here on my nightstand. I already showed you where I put my shoes at the end of the night. Sometimes I kick them off here, but I put them in here to get them out of the way, and then I just scoot that back in. All right, see you on the next video.